chapter 2, page 22. Pardon me, some Ampisa Kamaisan. Pardon me, can I ask you a question? Certainly. Can I park my car here? Yes, you can. You can park your car here. ពាក្យដែលសំខាន់ Pardon me. Pardon me ដូចគ្នានឹង excuse me ដូចគ្នាសុំទោស Pardon me, come on. Excuse me. Can I ask you a question? Certainly. Certainly ដូចគ្នា yes. Can I park my car here? Yes, you can. You can park your car here. You can park it here. So mul prapo kmau aksapo sa. Can I? Ba kesua can I? Kesua ta at man I knyom ta knyom aktorban knyom yin chlai ta yes you can. No you can't. Can I eat your food? Ta knyom ak hub bai roban ek day? Yes you can. No you can't. Can you? Yes I can. No I can't. Ta nek ak thơ da 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 da. Can you help me? Yes I can. No I can't. Do you have ta nek mien? Do you have a brother? Ta nek mien bong prote. Do you have a brother? Yes I have. Ruka yes I do kaban. No I don't have. Are you? Are you busy? Yes I am. No I'm not. Are you sick? Yes I am. No I'm not. Are you from Takao? Yes I am. No I'm not. Okay សូមហាក់និយាយសេចក្តីសន្ទនានិងសំណួរនឹងចម្លើយទាំងអស់នេះ